before we start, if you'd like to support me and the channel, then feel free to scan the QR code or visit the link below. Thank you. Today we'll be uploading Kumon Maths level E31a and E31b. These ones are a little different to the previous worksheets. What they want us to do is find out what belongs at the top number. And to do this, you find the bottom number here, which is 4, and the bottom number here, which is 8. Now we have 4 and 8, we have to see what have they done to the 4 to get 8. It has to be multiplied. They've times it by 2. Therefore, we have to times the top by 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Therefore, 2 goes at the top. This question here, what have they done to 3 to get 9? And it's not adding or subtracting or anything. You have to do times. They've times it by 3. So that means we have to times the top number by 3. Because whatever they do to the bottom must be done to the top in fractions. So, therefore, we have 3 over 9. To get from 3 to 9 again, they times it by 3 because 3 times 3 is 9. So we have to do 2 times 3 is 6. 4 times what is 12? 4 times 3, right? So that means you have to do 1 times 3, which is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9. So this is the opposite of simplifying. We are increasing instead of decreasing. 7 times 2 is 14. So 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 7 is 14. 1 times 7 is 7. 4 times 2 is 8. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay. 3 times what is 12? It's 4, right? So we have to times the top by 4. So what's 2 times 4? It's 8. 3 times 5 is 15. So we have to do 2 times 5, which is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 4 times 3 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 1 times 3 is 3. 9 times 2 is 18. So we have to do 5 times 2. Okay, now we get into the adding concepts. So basically, you can only add two fractions if the bottom numbers are the same. 5 and 10 in this case. No, it's this one here. They want us to add this, but these two bottom numbers aren't the same, therefore we can't add it. So we have to make them the same. So you look at 5 and 10, you say, what number do they both go into? What number do 5 and 10 go into? It's 10, right? Now we have to say, this is already 10, so we can just keep it as 3 over 10, which is why they've kept this one as 3 over 10. But 2 over 5, we have to change that to something over 10 now. Equals something over 10. 5 times 2 is 10, so 2 times 2 is 4. So it's 4 over 10. So it's 4 over 10 plus 3 over 10, which is just adding the top numbers. We have 7 over 10. Make sure the bottom numbers are always the same when adding or subtracting. With multiplication or division, it doesn't matter. This one here, 5 times what is 10? It's 2, right? So 4 times 2 is 8. Now we have 4 over 5 down here, plus 1 over 10. Remember the 4 over 5 we just made equal 8 over 10. So we can just write 8 here. Now we have 8 over 10, plus the 1 over 10 from here. That gives us 9 over 10. Final question, straightforward. 5 times what is 10? It's 2. So 1 times 2 is 2 over 10. Now we have to change the 1 over 5 down here to 2 over 10, because 5 times 2 is 10, and 1 times 2 is 2. And then we just bring the 7 over 10 over here, and we do 2 plus 7 is 9 over 10. That's it for today. Nice short and simple video. I hope it helped. If you have any comments with other worksheets you want me to do, please comment below and I'll get around to doing it. Thank you.